What's up, guys? I'm at the grocery store. Looking for some ice cream.
That's Sarah. I love her. God, you tiny. Oh, God, they have little tiny feet. Looks like for little kids.
So want this?
Yeah.
You want me to buy this? How much is it? Let me see.
I don't know. Hey, they have pink. Pink is my favorite color.
Yeah.
I don't see these. Mommy.
That's between you and your brother. Oh, you don't feel good.
You don't feel good?
I went buy me some ice cream, but y'all eat all my ice cream.
Sorry.
So apparently Walmart started taking the white card, and then I went in there this morning, and they said the system was down. I said, yo, something wrong with y'all.
Look, coffee. Ooh, chocolate milk. I mean chocolate. I forgot. I was going to say chocolate milk.
Here.
Right.
Well. Stuff for his mama.
Hello, Mom.
Yeah, you like mommy, right?
That's
Look
trash.
at silent. I know.
I just danced with the whole
Yeah, you keep dancing and hula with all the water.
Oh my god.
Trip outside. No, that's a boy. Wait, I had that shirt too. You had a great one. Yeah, with all the...
Oh, where's my kids?
Yeah, but that little baby's a boy. It's a baby boy. Okay, you know that. Hazel, I can't breathe. Stop putting your hand up my mouth.
Hey, you better not be doing that.
Hazel was doing this. Or I can't breathe.
2 cartons. Oh, you want a whole carton? Yes, sir. My bad, but you did it all fucking day. Yes, sir, I have.
What, a vlogger?
Yeah.
Record the show
Right here.
and I give you
You don't even have to type.
subscribe and follow and like and
Huh?
record the show.
He wants you to record it so you can get
Oh,
followers and shit.
Alright.